EDU226 Pecha Kucha Summary. Digital technology benefits. I believe that digital technology has many benefits from my own personal views and the views of theorists such as Prensky, Harbison and Kurzweil who have influenced my views. Due to the evolvement of digital technology, people can now be cured of illness and disabilities and change their way of life. Education has changed due to technology. Computers and iPads are now used within schools to assist with learning and help teachers provide more information and experiences to children. People can now communicate with others over the phone via calling and text messaging and the internet from all around the world. Information can be found out almost instantly via the internet, which enhances knowledge and learning. People can now watch television and listen to music while travelling using their technological devices, for example, watching YouTube and listening to Spotify or Apple Music while on the train. Digital technology limitations. There are some disadvantages to technology which I did not consider until reading views from theorists such as Toffler, Lanier and Greenfield. People can become addicted to technology which can cut them off from the world and society. Video games can promote violence and desensitize the people who play these games, making them feel like aggression and violence is okay and normal within the real world. Many people are sharing everything with their online audience and spending too much time online informing everyone rather than enjoying their experiences. People are living too much in the digital world and not experiencing the real world with friends and family to its full advantage. How digital technology has changed. Digital technology has been around for most of our lives and has always been a part of it, making 90s and onwards children digital natives and anyone born before this the digital immigrants. However, even since the 90s, technology has changed and is now even more popular than before. Children now have iPads and mobile phones rather than books and toys to play with. Education use technology more now to help with learning and teaching within schools, e.g. iPads used within lessons for children to conduct their own research. More social networking sites and video sites provide entertainment amongst the general public, such as Facebook, Bebo, MySpace, YouTube, etc. How digital technology has impacted careers. Many people are now using technology to provide a career for them. YouTube has become a place in which many people are now using to make money and have a career. They are making videos and putting these online on YouTube for the public to watch, and then they're making money from this due to adverts and how many views they get. By doing this, technology has benefited their lives and provided a different type of career than ever before. There are also other jobs which have come around due to technology, such as video games, creating, IT specialists, app creating and much more. To conclude, I believe that technology has mainly provided benefits and advantages to society rather than disadvantage. There are now hundreds of ways to communicate, be entertained, become cured of illness and become more educated than ever before because of technology. There are some disadvantages such as addiction, but I believe that the benefits outweigh the negatives of digital technology.